Have you ever wondered how a keto diet can improve your health? Imagine a world where your body burns fat like a furnace, your heart beats with vigor, and your mind sharpens with each passing day. Welcome to the world of the ketogenic diet, commonly known as the keto diet. It's a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been making waves in the health and wellness community. The keto diet is like a magic key that unlocks numerous health benefits. It's not just about shedding those extra pounds, it's about a total body transformation. Weight loss, improved heart health, and enhanced cognitive function are just the tip of the iceberg. Yes, you heard that right. Improved heart health and better cognitive function are possible, all thanks to this incredible diet. But how exactly does a keto diet work, and how can you incorporate it into your daily routine? Stay tuned to find out. Starting a keto diet is easier than you think, and we're here to guide you through it step by step. The keto or ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that can help you burn fat more effectively. But how do you start? First off, you need to reduce your carbohydrate intake. This means cutting back on foods like bread, pasta, and sugar. Instead, you'll want to replace these with low-carb alternatives like leafy greens and other non-starchy vegetables. Next, you'll want to gradually increase your consumption of healthy fats. Foods rich in healthy fats include avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. Don't be afraid of fats. In a keto diet, they're not your enemy, they're your fuel. Now let's talk about the types of food to eat and avoid. On a keto diet, you'll want to focus on whole foods. This includes meats, fish, eggs, vegetables, and natural fats like butter or olive oil. You should avoid foods that are high in sugar and starch, such as bread, pasta, rice, and potatoes. Drinking plenty of water is crucial. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. This helps keep your body hydrated and aids in the process of ketosis, where your body burns fat for energy instead of carbs. Here's a simple meal plan for beginners to follow. For breakfast, try scrambled eggs with avocado and a side of spinach. For lunch, a salad with grilled chicken, mixed greens, and a drizzle of olive oil. Dinner could be a piece of salmon with a side of broccoli and a pat of butter. And if you're feeling peckish in between, a handful of nuts or seeds makes a great snack. Remember, the key to a successful keto diet is consistency and making it a part of your daily routine. It's not just a diet, it's a lifestyle change. With a bit of planning and preparation, the keto diet can become a sustainable and enjoyable way to achieve your health goals. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier you with a keto diet? In our journey today, we've delved into the world of keto diets, exploring the benefits it offers and how to make it a part of your everyday life. We've discovered that the key to a healthy weight loss is consistency, and that the keto diet, when followed correctly, can be a powerful tool in achieving this. We've learned that our health is not a mystery, but a reflection of what we eat and drink. It's simple, really. Incorporating healthy, keto-friendly foods into our diet can offer numerous health benefits, from improved energy levels to enhanced brain function. So what's stopping you? Your path to a healthier you is not as challenging as you might think. For more information about the keto diet and other health topics, check out the full articles on our website. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and easy-to-understand health videos. Remember, your health is in your hands.